Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 22nd of December. We are getting so close to unboxing the all-important LookFantastic gifted advent calendar, and we're getting closer to unboxing day number 25 and I'm getting really excited. So let's just jump right into unboxing day number 22. I want to say I got the Quarterly Vino Pure Purifying Gel Cleanser last year. I'm not sure if I'm making that up. I have had so many samples of this, be that in I think it was a glossy box I had this in. When I went to Glamour Beauty Fest, I ended up with 2 of these. I really like this, which is lucky given how much I get it as a freebie. But this stuff is really gentle on the skin. It smells really good too. It smells very clean. It doesn't break me out. Morning and evening massage gel onto damp skin to create a light foam, rinse with water, avoid eye contour area. This stuff is really good. This may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun because it contains an acid, beta hydroxy acid. I've never really experienced that problem, but then again I wear sunscreen like it's going out of fashion basically. But I really love this stuff. It's especially good if I'm feeling really lazy, taking my eye makeup off but really can't be bothered to take the rest off. This stuff is great. Actually, I recommend that you buy this in full size if you haven't already tried it before, because it is just so gentle on the skin. That was unboxing day number 22. Thank you guys for tuning in if you have made it this far. If you are enjoying this series, why not check back in again tomorrow for the 23rd of December as we get ever so close to day number 25. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!